O eto na naman, Luistro. Eto yung sinasabi ni Atty. Topacio na kapagka pakikinggan mo yung sinasabi nito ay 80-80 daw ito.
Si Luistro, akala mo matalino kung hindi ka matalino. Pero kung matalino ka, alam mong hindi siya matalino. Yun, ganun lang yun.
O ayon yan kay Atty. Topacio ha. Ngayon, eto na naman siya. Panoorin natin to.
I came across this NARI, the one which provides the IT infrastructure of NGCP. Does NGCP confirm this?
So eto daw yung NARI ay siya yung may hawak sa infrastructure ha. Tandaan, infrastructure.
NARI.
Nari
Mr.
pala.
Chair, I am not familiar.
May we put back, place back on board the technical officer of
Technical officer.
NGCP.
Mr. Clark Agustin, please take the chair of Attorney Malyari.
Bilisan nyo. Uy, sayang oras.
Do you confirm that the IT infrastructure of NGCP is now NARI?
For the IT, it's not NARI, but we have equipment branded as NARI.
So doon daw sa IT, hindi siya NARI. Pero may yung infrastructure ay branded as NARI. O, maliwanag ha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Equipment is branded as
Some.
NARI,
Some equipment,
Sam, ilan lang?
some.
not all, yes, ma'am.
But you deny that IT infrastructure is NARI.
I'm not sure about the specific brand of our IT, and it's not. I think not supplied by only one brand, ma'am.
Mr. Chair, I wish to remind our resource person
Eto na naman yung pananakot under oath.
that he is testifying under oath.
Sabi na eh.
So, I hope you are giving truthful information to this committee. I understand that prior to NGCP, the IT infrastructure is ESCADA, a
Skada. Tingnan mo ha, parang tali-talino niya eh. Ito yung sinasabi nito Pasio eh.
Filipino corporation. However, upon the assumption of NGCP, they converted to NARI,
NARI.
which is a Chinese corporation.
So ang issue niya dito, dati daw, Skada, na Filipino-owned company. Pero pumasok ng NGCP, nagpalit na ng NARI na kumpanya ng mga Chinese.
Now, I wish to ask, what is the reason why you switched from ESCADA, a Filipino corporation, to NARI, a Chinese corporation?
Ma'am, I would just like to clarify. IT is different from the SCADA. So, SCADA is our control system. That's our system control and
Do you
data
still have that
acquisition.
ESCADA
Yes,
up
ma'am.
to now?
Yes, ma'am. We have a SCADA.
Bakit naman kaya? Bakit may Skada pa? Sabi niya, nag-switch na, di ba? Yan yung sinasabi niya. Nag-switch na, sigurado, tali-talino, tali-talino. Eto na sinasabi dito, Pasio.
Yes.
Are you still using ESCADA?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, all power utilities uses SCADA.
Lahat pala ng mga power utilities ay gumagamit ng Skada. So, hindi po talaga nawala yung Skada sa NGCP.
To control their power system.
If ESCADA has this capacity,
SCADA stands for System Control and Data Acquisition.
System control lang to. Ito yung pinaka-system lang, yung Skada.
You use it to monitor and control the power system in the case of NGCP.
Parang operating system lang. OS lang to. Hindi ito hardware.
and you're still using that,
Yes, ma'am. We need the SCADA to control our power system.
then why resort to other Chinese corporations if ESCADA has the capacity to provide the necessary technical aspect of the NGCP corporation?
The-
Why resort to NARI if ESCADA is still dependable?
Ma'am, our SCADA is just the tool. It's the system
Sabi na yung operating system lang yan.
we use to control the.
So anong kailangan mo kapag ikaw ay may operating system? Kumbaga, kumbaga code na to operate a certain device. Sige nga?
the power grid. So,
How about NARI?
actually, the brand of our SCADA as of now is
Mr. Chair,
NARI.
Mr. Chair, just a point of information para lang magkaintindihan. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan eh.
Hindi, si Luis Trang hindi nakakaintindi.
If you will share clarification.
Yes.
Okay. Your
Sino ba itong magaling na to?
As a point of information, Mr. Chair, yung SCADA, ginagamit yun lahat sa mga public utilities, either distribution or transmission.
Ay, ganun pala. Ginagamit naman pala talaga yung SCADA. Hindi naman pala wala. Hindi naman pala sila nag-resort sa iba.
Ang ibig sabihin lang ng SCADA, yung sinabi kanina, yung sistema. Pero
Correct.
yung mga ano niya, mga equipment, pwede namang iba-ibang brand yun. SCADA is not a brand. It is a system of control.
Tama. Di ba? Yan sinabi ko kanina, operating system lang yan. Kailangan mo ng mga machines. Kailangan mo ng, kunwari, ang operating system ay Android. Kailangan mo ng kailangan mo isalpak yung operating system mo sa isang cellphone para gumana yung system.
So,
At yun ang trabaho ng NARI na sinasabi ni Luis Tro. Talagang hindi niya naiintindihan.
kung halimbawa, ikaw yung chairman ngayon, ikaw yung SCADA, ikaw nagkocontrol ng ano dito.
Oo.
But we can use different brand of equipments.
Oh, ito yung example niya. Yung chairman, siya yung SCADA. Siya yung parang pinaka-center. Parang pinaka-utak. Sabihin na natin pinaka-utak kasi ano to pinaka-brain kasi technology to Yung mga ibang congressman at mga resource person yan yung Chinese company.
So, yun lang yun. It is not a brand, it is a system, control system.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Dago. The Honorable Jinky.
Mr. Chair, I acknowledge that we are dealing with a very technical matter. So,
Pwede pahiya ka ngayon. Alam mo pala na technical matter yung inaano mo dyan. Daldal ka ng daldal, hindi mo pala naiintindihan.
to give opportunity to people who are not endowed with technical know-how.
Dapat pinag-aralan mo muna bago ka dumaldal. Aminato na wala daw siyang, hindi daw siya technical na person. Pero dinidiscuss mo na. Ibinabato ka na sa kanila na bakit kayo nag-switch sa isang Chinese company. Hindi ba?
I wish to suggest, Mr. Chair, that we conduct an ocular inspection.
Ngayon na, field trip na ang gusto niyang gawin. Paano mo ngayon makikita yung operating system? Sige ka? Anong gusto mong tingnan doon? Yung mga brands ng mga computers? Ganun ba yun? Talaga.
Of the NGCP IT infrastructure, including the system, and perhaps we can invite experts to guide the committee members in evaluating whether this system are the one which really are in main control of the operation of the NGCP, one which is Chinese-owned, or just
Hindi nga yung operation, ano ka ba nga, equipments lang. Yung mga gamit lang. Pero yung operating system ay Pilipino ang may-ari. Bakit kailangan pa niya mag-field trip? Gusto niya mag-field trip. Baka sa susunod dito, mag-request na ng field trip sa China.
equipments being used by Filipino citizens. That is a recommendation, a suggestion, Mr. Chair, from this humble representation.
Tapos ito sinang-ayunan din ito ni yung susunod na tawag dito, sino ba yung kalbo, di ko alam. Pero basta may dyan, na gusto niya mag-ocular inspection din. Ayan.
Noted. We will make the representation for us to be able to make an ocular.
Mr. Chair, I wish to conclude on this point as my other question.
Wala na, tapos na. So, pahiya, si Luis Tro, ngaw-ngaw na hindi naman pala naiintindihan kung paano nagwo-work yung sistema, kung paano nagwo-work yung operation. No? At gusto niya, at ang solusyon niya dyan, mag-field trip. Ang galing.